What 2 months as a student taught me about product management and AI. As someone who has spent over a decade building products and leading teams, the idea of stepping back into a classroom might sound unconventional, but I've always believed that staying curious is a superpower, especially in the fast-moving worlds of product management and AI. Over the past 2 months, I immersed myself in courses at product school instructor Puneet Goel, Harvard Business School online professor Karim Lakhani, and Columbia Engineering professor Sameer Maskey. The experience not only sharpened my skills, but also gave me a fresh perspective on some of the most pressing challenges and opportunities in building AI-driven products today. Here are 9 key lessons that I believe every startup founder and product manager can learn from. 1. Weak AI against strong AI. Build for the now. AI comes in 2 flavors: weak AI, which excels at specific tasks, and strong AI, the hypothetical concept of machines capable of human-like reasoning and decision-making. Most of the world's most innovative products today are powered by weak AI-focused systems designed to solve real narrow problems. For founders, the message is clear: build for what AI can do now. Avoid getting lost in sci-fi ambitions of strong AI. Instead, focus on solving immediate professional business problems. 2. The 4 waves of AI evolution: patience and perspective. AI's journey didn't start with ChatGPT or DALL-E. It's a technology born out of decades of iteration. Wave 1, cybernetics and rules-based systems, 1950s. Wave 2, expert systems, trained by humans, 1980s. Wave 3, adaptive learners driven by data, 2000. Wave 4, generative AI today. The lesson here is one of patience. Great products are rarely built in isolation. They stand on the shoulders of those who came before. As a product manager, don't rush to be revolutionary, be evolutionary. Understand where your product fits in this lineage and build thoughtfully. 3. Ethics and privacy are not optional. With data consumption increasing exponentially, questions about ethics and privacy have moved from academic debates to boardroom priorities. As AI products become more pervasive, customers are becoming savvier about how their data is used and how it isn't. Embedding ethical considerations into your product isn't just good practice, it's a competitive advantage. When building AI-driven tools, don't just comply with regulations, go beyond them. Make privacy and ethics part of your product story. Build trust with transparency, and you'll create not just users but loyal advocates. 4. Prompt engineering, the new skill for builders. Prompt engineering has emerged as a game changer in the generative AI space. This skill involves crafting effective prompts to guide AI outputs, whether in natural language generation or image creation. For product managers, mastering this art is non-negotiable. Whether you're building your own AI tools or designing features that allow users to interact with AI, the quality of prompts often determines the value of the output. Think of it as the search engine optimization of the AI age, a critical lever for driving engagement, relevance, and results. 5. Value beyond the product. The 3 dimensions. Every product creates value, but the best ones leverage multiple dimensions of value. Product value. Is the core offering solving a real business need? Network value. Does the product become more valuable as more people use it? Think of platforms like LinkedIn or Slack. Learning or data value. Does the product improve as more data flows through it? AI-powered systems like Spotify's recommendation engine thrive on this principle. Great products don't stop at solving problems. They create ecosystems where value compounds. As you evaluate your roadmap, consider how you can tap into all 3 types of value. 6. Multi-homing. Winning in a competitive landscape. Multi-homing refers to the practice of users switching between similar platforms, such as Uber and Lyft, or OpenAI's ChatGPT and Anthropic's Claude. In today's competitive landscape, multi-homing is the norm rather than the exception. This means your job isn't just to acquire users, it's to earn their loyalty. How? By creating frictionless experiences, delivering consistent value, and offering something your competitors can't replicate. Think beyond pricing wars. Focus on building emotional connections through thoughtful design and intuitive interfaces. 7. Unified data is the foundation of AI factories. AI-first companies thrive on data, but data silos within organizations can cripple their progress. In traditional businesses adopting AI, these silos are especially problematic. Teams often hoard data, whether for competitive reasons or due to mismatched systems. Breaking down these silos isn't just a technical challenge, it's a cultural one. As a product leader, your role is to champion collaboration across teams and ensure that data flows freely and securely. Only then can your AI initiatives scale effectively. 8. Structured against unstructured data. Start simple. Startups often chase unstructured data like videos, images, and free text responses because it feels innovative and exciting. However, structured data, clean, labeled, and organized, is where most startups should focus their efforts. Structured data is easier to work with, cheaper to train on, and faster to validate. As you scale and resources grow, you can then experiment with unstructured data. This incremental approach saves time and money while building a solid foundation for growth. 9. User discovery is a non-negotiable discipline. In the rush to build, it's easy to skip deep user discovery. But great products aren't just born out of creativity. They're built on a deep understanding of user needs. A disciplined approach to discovery involves identifying and ranking pain points, observing target users in action, exploring multiple solutions divergence, narrowing in on the most viable option convergence, aligning design, data, and AI capabilities to execute effectively. The result? Products that don't just solve problems but delight users in the process. Final thoughts. Execution over ideas. The past 2 months reminded me that building in the AI age is as much about thoughtful execution as it is about big ideas. The frameworks and insights I gained have already started shaping how I approach product development, and I'm excited to see how these lessons resonate with others in the industry. Whether you're a startup founder or an experienced PM, I hope these takeaways spark new ideas or reinforce your existing strategies. What's your biggest learning in the AI space recently? Let's connect and discuss. Email me, arjun@selftac.com.